looking at the night sky wasn't just beautiful, but also a way to look into the past, and maybe even understand the future. Welcome to another episode of Discover Fun. Today we're exploring one of humanity's oldest and most fascinating hobbies, astronomy. This episode of Discover Fun is proudly sponsored by Hobby.Fun. If you're curious about astronomy, or any hobby, Hobby.Fun helps you connect with like-minded people, discover events, find schools, shops, and even mentors to guide you. Download Hobby.Fun and sign up today. It's completely free. In this episode, you'll discover why astronomy shaped ancient philosophy and science, how people once predicted events by observing the stars, the most influential astronomers in history, why nations today spend billions on space research, what you need to start astronomy as a hobby, what skills astronomy helps you develop, and at the end, we'll rate astronomy using the Discover Fun rating system. Make sure to watch till the end. In ancient history, astronomy wasn't a hobby. It was the foundation of knowledge. Most philosophers were also astronomers. They studied the sky to understand time, seasons, nature, and humanity's place in the universe. Before physics, before chemistry, and before modern science, there was astronomy. For thousands of years, people asked this question: how can someone predict events just by looking at the stars? Was it magic, religion, or something deeper? Today, science gives us a fascinating answer. Light does not travel instantly. When we look at stars, we are not seeing them as they are now. We are seeing them as they were millions or even billions of years ago. This means the night sky is a natural time machine. Ancient astronomers didn't know the physics, but they noticed patterns, cycles, and repetition. Modern astronomy uses the same idea. Supported by science, math, and technology, Ptolemy created detailed star catalogs and planetary models used for over 1,400 years. Hipparchus discovered star magnitude systems and the precession of Earth's axis. Ibn al-Haytham Alhazen laid the foundations of scientific observation and optics, which later became essential for astronomy. History also has dark moments. Some thinkers who challenged accepted beliefs, such as the shape and position of Earth, faced persecution, punishment, or death. This reminds us that progress in knowledge often comes with resistance. Astronomy had many practical uses: navigation for travelers and sailors, creating calendars and tracking seasons, guiding agriculture and planting cycles, organizing religious and cultural events, orientation at night using stars. Without astronomy, long-distance exploration would not have been possible. Today, astronomy and space exploration cost billions of dollars. Why? Because space may offer new resources and materials, scientific breakthroughs, technological innovation, long-term survival of humanity. As Elon Musk famously said, we need to become a multi-planet species. Just like ancient sailors crossed unknown oceans, modern humanity explores the unknown universe. The countries investing the most in space and astronomy include United States, China, Russia, European Union, ESA, and India. What you need to start astronomy: a dark night sky, a peaceful and quiet place, binoculars or a telescope for better observation. Skills you develop through astronomy: patience, observation, night navigation, curiosity, and perspective beyond everyday problems. Astronomy opens your world beyond Earth and reminds you how small and how special we are. Astronomy isn't just for scientists. Even famous innovators and artists look up to the stars. Elon Musk, founder of SpaceX, driven by astronomy and space exploration to make humanity a multi-planet species. Brian May, guitarist of Queen and a PhD astrophysicist who actively researches and promotes astronomy. Katy Perry, known for her fascination with space and science, she has spoken openly about astronomy, space travel, and curiosity about the universe. Astronomy inspires people across music, science, and innovation. Some important stars to recognize: Polaris, North Star, Sirius, Betelgeuse, and Vega. These stars have guided humans for thousands of years. Have you ever looked at the night sky and connected stars into shapes? Have you ever created your own constellation? Maybe an animal, a symbol, or even the face of someone you love, like Mufasa, while staring into a dark sky? Let's rate this hobby activity. 6 out of 10. Joy, 9 out of 10. Cost, 8.5 out of 10. Skill growth, 9 out of 10. Beginner-friendly, 8 out of 10. Average final score, 8.1 out of 10. If this episode made you look at the night sky a little differently, please like and subscribe to Discover Fun. We explore hobbies that expand your world, and maybe astronomy is the one that does it for you. See you in the next episode of Discover Fun.